Good afternoon, it's Gary from BitOnIron.com coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 1998 Kenworth T800 dump truck with a K-line transfer box with high lift gate. It has 1,110,441 kilometers. It has a Cummins N14 460E Plus engine, 460 horsepower. It does have a Jake brake and full diff locks. It has a 15-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTO 16915. The front axle rating is 20,000 pounds on FL 941 on spring suspension, and the rear axle rating is 46,000 pounds on RT 46-160P on Hendrickson extended leaf spring suspension. The rear axle ratio is 4.10. Front tires are 425 65R 22.5 and the rear 11R 24.5. The rims are aluminum inside and out, all the way around, and chromed. The wheelbase is 224 inches. It has twin fuel tanks, 110 and 100 gallon, and the CVI is valid until October 31st, 2014. The engine was in-framed at 800,000 kilometers, and it's had a recent clutch and transmission, which was done in August of last year. The truck is used for general purpose, gravel, topsoil, and excavation. We're going to take a general walk around the unit. Then we're going to come up close for a tight inspection. We're going to lift the box. We're going to show under the hood. I do know this unit has been very well maintained mechanically. It's twin exhaust. Looks like it has a single beacon light. A nice emerald green color. Aluminum transfer box. I did mention it's high lift gate, looks like a single batch gate at the back. And this unit looks very good from here. Let's come up close now. Come up to the front of the unit, right up to that grill. That's in excellent condition. Let's follow the bumper all the way over to the driver's side, and it's in perfect condition. And let's pan up the driver's side of the unit. Now over to the passenger side. And of course, I'm going to lift the hood and show you underneath in just a bit. Let's take a look at that front hood. It's in perfect condition. I'm not seeing any scratches. No damage whatsoever. The steps over the fuel tank also chromed. Nice and level, in good shape. So it appears the cab as well. Let's take a look at the air cleaner. I'm seeing maybe just a couple of small dents at best. And the mirror looks like it's in good shape. No cracks or chips. And the exhaust housing, also in good condition. Let's pan the condition of the box. The hydraulic tank. We're going to show you underneath once that box is lifted up. And let's come around to the back of the unit. Pintle hook. Everything looks like it's in excellent condition. Storage box. Let's take a look at the steps here over the cab. Nice and level. Cab itself in good condition. I'm not seeing any damages at all. And it looks like the same for the hood here. Let's take a look at this air cleaner. That's in good shape. The mirrors are nice. No cracks or chips. We're going to start the unit now and lift up the box. And the floor has been reinforced in the back half. So basically the original bottom of the box is underneath. Looks like it's got plywood lining. And it's in very good condition. Come up between the axles here on the driver's side of the unit. We'll come up and take a look at the leaf spring suspension here. And let's go between axles 2 and 3 on the passenger side. Inside the unit. Upholstery's in good condition. I'm just going to show you the gauges here. The hours gauge is not accurate, which is why I didn't read the hours in the beginning of the script. PTO. And let's take a look under the hood. there you have it. Another great piece of iron from bitiron.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.